Welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block games or any application from connecting to the internet on a Windows PC. So let's search for the firewall and click on Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. And in this example, I want to block this application. So you can see here the .exe. So you should find the .exe file of your application. So here is mine. So let's click on inbound rules, click on new rule, and then select program. Next, then I will copy the path to the exe file and click on browse. Let's put it here, click on OK, then select the file, the exe file, click on open. Next, then click on block the connection, click on next. Next, let's give this a name like Crusader block internet. Finish. And so you can see now that this file or this application is has no longer access to the internet. So if I run it, it can't connect to the internet. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.